Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I've got a cost of ownership update. I've just given it some long overdue love in preparation for Bedford in 4 weeks time, and I haven't sat down and done this for a while now. So before I take it on track and batter it for a day, I thought I'd add all my costs up and see exactly where I am with it. My car, its current status is standard apart from the M Performance rear differential, Michelin PS4 tyres, and I've got different brake fluid. Yesterday it had an oil service done on it. I also gave it a set of fresh rear standard BMW pads and gave the brake system a complete flush through with some ATE Type 200 fluid. So I've got new pads in the back, the fronts are good, but how about the tyres? Here's where I need to apologise to Kumo's PS91 tyres. In this video I said they wear out too quickly. I went through the rears in 4,500 miles. I said that was bad. I said the PS4s would easily do 10,000 miles. I measured my PS4s yesterday while it was up on the ramps. Knew they were 7.5mm. The front are down to 6.5mm, so that's 1 mil for 3,000 miles. So I'll easily see 10 to 15k, I think. The rears though, they're down at 4.5mm. That's 1 mil for every 1,000 road miles. At this rate, I'll wear them out by 5 or 6k. Both sets have been run since I had my diff fitted, and both sets have been used and enjoyed. So the Kumos were okay wear-wise really. I'm the problem. That LSD, DSC fully off and my right foot. I need to rein it in if I'm going to make this set of tyres last through Bedford at the end of August to the Auto Solar, which is now mid-September, and back to the costs. Now after this latest servicing expense, that leaves me with this car after 369 days and 22,500 miles in this position. I'll start with the actual numbers. A total cost just shy of £17,000, and here's how these costs are built up over time. That does include depreciation though, which is based on a We Buy Any Car valuation of this car on the 17th of July. And taking the depreciation estimate out of the equation, here's my costs without it. Now this is my actual real out-of-pocket expenditure. We'll quickly touch on fuel economy, miles per gallon. I've filled up 98 times so far, and here's my average, which is 26.9 miles per gallon. And because of the pandemic and lockdown, this is going to be quite a low mileage year for me. I'm down about 4,000 miles, I reckon, which is a shame considering fuel prices have dropped off a cliff. Overall then, no real surprises. Very reasonable costs really, considering what I'm sat in and what it's capable of. In almost 2 years of ragging this thing, I've spent just 1k on insurance and road tax and just 2.5k on servicing brakes and tyres. I'm really happy with that. Good car. As always, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching my day 639 What's the True Cost video.